Welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP question and answer. What do you mean by workflow in SAP ABAP? In the SAP system, workflow in business are used for executing business process in applications. Workflow are the SAP system's essential component that helps in business process design. It can be either a simple process or a complex repeated business process. These are predefined in the SAP R/3 system or the user is allowed to create their new workflows. It also permits the user for managing business process in the most efficient manner. Workflow will make sure that the correct information will be sent to the right person at the right time in a proper sequence. It is a tool for business process automation and will uniformly work across all the application. It is suitable for business process that involve multiple people or a group of people. Thank you for watching.